Look at that. Look, this is what it could have looked like.
Oh, yeah.
So here is a weight that was rusted, and I put rust converter on it, and then once it rust converted, then sprayed some general cleaner on it, which is just dishwashing detergent and some water. And it says don't let it turn white. I don't fight the power anymore. If it turns white, that's what it wants to do. That's what it wants to do. So that's what this is for. Then I use this bad boy. Look at this bad boy. Oh yes! Look at this original Samson blue. That's the original colors. Oh, look at that. This is going back down to the original colour, so it's worth it. I have a 12-step program to save weights that will last a lifetime, and you can put them out in the rain, hail, sunshine, heat wave, and they will not rust and they will not lose their paint colour. It takes me a long time to do a 12-step program. AA, there's 12 steps. It works if you work it. I know that from Party of 5. Bailey was an alcoholic. He was codependent. Poor kid. It looked like this. So it was done with the Ranex Rust Buster. After that, I 3-in-1 oiled it. I use a lot of this on these ones. Okay, so these are the sides that have been rust busted and then cleaned off, and then 3-in-1 oiled, and the other side that has not been touched. So that looks terrible. Now, this is not my recommendation. I just want to see what happens. Now we have to give the people that don't want to pay me anything something to buy. Not too bad, considering that's the side that's not rust busted. This side is rust busted and oiled, so that'll look really nice. Yeah, that looks really good. It is chipping. It is. That's what happens when you don't prepare it properly. Basically, the bookends of a movie, if they both fail, but the middle's really good, you got most of the movie, 50% of the movie is good. So that's good. Today, I'm going to show you one of the methods, one of my favorite methods, on how to refurbish or restore these weight plates. There's rust, there's all different types of rust. Every single weight, depending on what condition that it comes in. I've got about 12 different methods, maybe more. This is an old school plate. Probably don't really want to paint that, at least straight away. I want to see what the original color looks like. There is some rust on there, but it doesn't look too bad.